Now, what are the properties of the exponents or the powers? What are the properties? See, if any number, for example, a power m into a power n is there. A power m into, there is a symbol into, a power m into a power n, then we can write it as a power m plus n. If it is multiple, here plus. A power m divided by a power n. If it is division, what will be? Next we can write it as a power m minus n. That will be subtraction for the division. Okay. If the a power m whole power n is equal to what will be? It's a multiplication, a power m whole power m. That means what is a power m into n? What's the example? See, 2 power 1 into 2 power square. Okay, 2 square. That means if the bases are equal, here bases are equal, the powers will be added. That means 2 power 1 plus 2. In this condition, 2 power 1 by 2 square, what will be? 2 power 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. That means m minus n. For this condition, 2 power 1 whole power square. That means what is the indication? 2 power m into n. That means 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 square, 2 square is the 4 here, 2 power 1 minus 2, 2 power minus 2, here 2 power 1 plus 2 means 2 cube. What is the meaning of it? 2 cube. Okay. Next thing is the a power minus m means we can write it as 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m. If it is in the denominator, we can take into the numerator, that will be the minus.